Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Corey from Corey's Tech Time, and today we are checking out the Fossil Gen 6 smartwatch. So I picked this up yesterday. I'm looking for another smartwatch to replace my Fossil Gen 5. It's finally starting to show its age, and just wanted to just pick up another Fossil watch because there is no Pixel watch, right? So yeah, this is what it is. This is the Fossil Gen 6. Got some branding on the sides and not much information in terms of specs. But just off the top of my head, I know it's running the new Qualcomm 4100 Plus chip. And it has, or it's still running Wear OS 2, which is the unfortunate thing about it. So let's get it open really quick. Alright, so get the box out the way. Alright, so here's the watch. Well, let's come back to this. Got some books. You also have the charger, and it actually looks just about identical to the previous Gen model. The only difference I see off top is that there's a 2-prong connector on both sides. On the previous model, you only have the 1-prong connector. And that's pretty much it, guys, for the unboxing. As far as items inside the box, I'll get this off and turned on. But before I turn it on, let me just quickly give you guys a tour of the watch. So Fossil typically uses stainless steel, and I would assume this is no different. Let's get this off too. So yeah, it looks like a redesigned sensor as well. When compared to my current Gen 5, sensors are like across. And then on the Gen 6, you got them like in a circular direction. But yeah, now let me get this turned on. But again, just looking at the watch, it feels really nice. Heavier than the Gen 5. The screen looks bigger, or at least the casing looks bigger. Has a similar band, not the best feeling band, but I'm sure it will get the job done. 22mm band connector, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna get this thing turned on and hopefully set up here shortly. Oh, looks like I gotta plug it in. But anyway, guys, this is it for this one. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Fossil Watch Gen 6. I'm looking forward to getting this one up and running, and once I do that and use it for a couple days, I'll come back and just do a follow-up video. And again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.